Travis needs a new pulley.
Goes to the engine. That spacer right there goes back on the new pulley behind it. That's what keeps the pulley from rubbing the engine block and putting a hole in your engine block.
Okay.
Here's a spacer that goes in the front. Bolt that goes through.
Okay.
Goes just like that. You don't need that no more.
Okay.
It's no bueno.
Make it easier to take off the next time if you had to change it.
Yeah.
What the f? Are you chooching? Take a puff. Take a puff. For the vlog.
I tell you what, Travis, hold on. Let me take this inside. I'm gonna want you to get all this mud and stuff because this mud's just like caked onto it.
Okay.
Get that, clean it off.
Did I show you the flatbed pictures? What I'm gonna do to it?
No.
And that should be bad.
Just found a random room. There's water in here. Fuck the water cups up. Damn, this thing's clean. Just hold it still, don't knock it like that. Thank you.
Where are you going?
That was sick.
Oh god! Trick shot off the ceiling.
Oh my god!
No! No!
Do we go all the way out to Red Mud Road and turn on in?
Yep, we're about to black out both bow ties. Are you about to black out yours?
No, don't do that.
Hell yeah, I am. Just the logo.
Is that on there?
Fucking hell.
The receipt, didn't you?
Yeah.
Well, we were really gonna try to get the money.
So, y'all want... It just looks...
There you go. We did a tailgate delete kit. No more tailgate. That damn cobalt.
My truck is so loud.
That was clean. Holy crap.
Hell yeah. And then it'll really look good.
Do it. Pay like $10 for this thing. This thing bump.
Yeah, that's that dirty. That's that dirty. That girl all up.
Not bad. Seat delete kit. Take this whole seat out.
Well, I didn't understand what he was saying.
Whole lot of drugs, bananas. I don't fuck with no rappers. I got love.
4.0.
The brakes don't do that thing anymore. And they stop like right away. Test it.
Family savings.
Bust this button.
crackheads. Napa Auto Parts.